Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be making a K-pop journal spread for the BTS concert Map of the Soul 1. This is an online concert that you could live stream among 2 days. I obviously watched both of them, so this spread is to cover both nights essentially. So this concert was super special to me because one, of course, we all miss BTS so much, so it's definitely a little bittersweet because we all definitely wanted to see this concert in person, but we couldn't because of the pandemic and recent circumstances. So it was still really great to be able to see this set list and these performances. It was amazing, and also the first night was on my birthday so that made it really special. And also usually I watch these concerts in the middle of the night by myself in my bedroom, but I actually went down to visit a friend. Don't worry, we were super safe and we just stayed inside together for a week. And we actually got to watch it together. So not only was it my birthday, but I also got to spend it with my best friend and watch it with somebody else, which was really fun. It's like 6 a.m. and we've got our army bombs together and it was just great. But yeah, other than that, these performances actually blew me out of the water. They were so good and it was so fun to watch them. So I was definitely excited to make a spread for these concerts. The only thing that can be problematic when making spreads for these kinds of events is that there's no cohesive color scheme. Unless I only chose photos from one performance, it's hard to get a color scheme going because each performance is so different, which is what is so great about BTS concerts, but it's not always great for K-pop journaling. So I had to just kind of pick a couple of colors from pictures that I felt really stood out. So I ended up doing black, of course, because there's black in almost every photo, and then I did this kind of light purple. At first I was going to do a darker purple, but I decided the lighter color actually worked better. It kind of goes with Jimin and Filter, the picture that I used, and then I used this red color because of the hues in the picture of Jungkook from My Time, and I think there was some red on some of the other members' clothes, so I was hoping that that would just kind of tie it all together. So as I'm sitting here watching myself make this spread again, I was trying to think of a favorite performance that I could tell you guys was my favorite performance of the whole set list, and I literally can't. I cannot think of a favorite because every single solo performance was so amazing. I just don't think I will ever get over these solo performances. They were just so amazing. I can't even put it into words. And just all of the songs that they did together were so amazing. I was so excited that they did Boy in Love. As soon as they walked out on that part, I was like, oh my God, this is Boy in Love. This is Boy in Love. And my best friend was like, be quiet. And then they started singing it and I was like, oh my God. I just loved all of it. I couldn't even pick one. Also, I do realize that I put the colon in the wrong spot with the lettering, and I'm actually very sad about it because I really like how this lettering came out, and I didn't realize it until I went to edit this video. So I think I will probably go in and fix it, but just ignore it. I realized that I did it wrong. It's fine. So I actually think that the color scheme ended up really working out for this spread. Like I said, sometimes it can be difficult to pick a color scheme when all the pictures are so different, and I feel like it could be hit or miss. Sometimes it just really works and other times it just really doesn't. But I do feel like it worked really well this time. And I also left a lot of space for writing because if you couldn't tell just from my voiceover in this video, I had a lot to say about these concerts, and like I said, it was really special because it was my birthday, and also I got to watch it with my best friend since we were supposed to go to the concerts together. So it was nice that we got to watch it together. So anyway, here's a look at the final spread. I'm pretty happy with this one. It's kind of simple. You know, I like the collage on one side kind of look. I've done it before, but yeah. So if you like this spread and you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!